Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Samsung Notes and granting storage and S Pen permissions. This ensures your files save correctly. Next, tap the plus sign to create a new note. Choose blank, a template, or import a photo as background. Then type a clear title, pick S Pen input or keyboard, and set your default pen, color, and paper size so future notes match your workflow. Once done, you're ready to add content and use S Pen gestures for navigation and selection. Now focus on capturing and refining content. Write with the S Pen and use the lasso tool to select handwriting, then move, resize, or change color. This keeps notes tidy. Insert images, record audio, or import a PDF to annotate directly. Make sure to save edits as you go. Organize using folders and add tags for topics. Use the search bar to find text, handwriting, or tags quickly. If you want later, convert handwriting to typed text to make sharing and editing easier. To finish, sync your notes with Samsung Cloud or OneDrive so changes appear across devices, and export important pages as PDF, image, or the Samsung Note file to share. Tap Share to send via email or chat. Make sure autosave is enabled and confirm a stable internet connection for cloud sync. If you run into issues, like S Pen lag or missing notes, restart the app, check sync settings, clear the app cache, and reinstall only if necessary. If syncing still fails, sign out and sign back in to refresh access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.